G'day everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a debtor or creditor aging schedule, how to do it in Excel. So let's just get straight into it. So you start off by extracting your data, and it could look a bit different to this. You could have more columns here with all sorts of labels like, description. You could have debits, credits, all sorts of stuff. But what is the main thing you need to be focusing on is these. So you need the GL date, the amounts, company name, and company number. So we start off with these formulas because you want to count how many days there are between today and the GL date. So just this formula does that. Today minus the date. And then you want to identify where in this schedule the money is owing. So is it 0 to 30 days? So this one asks that question. So if today minus the GL date is less than 30, which in this case it is not. It is obviously greater than 90. Similar to this formula counts the amount owing between 60 and 30 days, or 31 and 60 days. Similarly, 61 and 90 days. And finally, any amount owing more than 90 days. So we simply copy those and copy them all the way down, and then we have it. Now what we're going to do is pivot all this, and then we're going to bring in the amounts and the company name. If we sort that from smallest to largest, you can see that is how much we've got owing. Now in instances where you've got 0 with these ones, I'm going to show you how to clean that up in the most efficient way. And that is by, we come back to the pivot table, take out company name, put in company number, sort smallest to largest, grab the company numbers, and then we're going to put that as a list here. So this is going to be our list of paid companies. And then we're going to make paid companies here, and then we're just going to do a VLOOKUP of the company number, the list, column index, and false, and then we'll copy that down. Then we can filter and remove any of the NAs, and these are the ones that are owing the least, or they've paid off. So if you highlight them all, you'll see the sum is 0, so we can delete those out. Come back here, select all, that is what we've got left owing. And we can come back and refresh, take the company numbers out, put the company names in, and then we can put these there to make the aging schedule in order of smallest to largest. And that is how you do an aging schedule for debtors or creditors. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. And if you wanted me to do any other Excel tutorials, let me know which ones in the comments below as well. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.